Hi student, in this part we see about nomenclature of halogen. So halogen means it contains chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. Okay, it denoted by simply single bond X. That X may be chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. The general formula CnH2n plus 1 X. Okay. How do we give the name for a halogen compound? Name is equal to prefix plus name of the alkane. Okay. So what is a prefix? The prefix is if your compound containing chlorine functional group means it represented by chloro, prefix chloro. If your compound containing the fluorine as a functional group means the prefix word fluoro. Compound containing bromo as a functional group means prefix word bromo. Iodine means it prefix word iodo. Okay. Let we are move on to that table. That here this halogen is started from the carbon number 1. So the number of carbon 1. So I substituted the molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 X. Here in this case I take the example chlorine. Okay, so instead of X I use Cl. If we take that bromine means no problem, you can take that. Okay, so here instead of X I take the one particular halogen chlorine. Okay, so C1 H2 into 1 plus 1 chlorine. So what I'm get CH3Cl. How do we write the name number of carbon C and that functional group chlorine. Next framework. This carbon, that chlorine valency is 1. So it bonded with carbon. The carbon valency is 4. So that carbon valency till now not satisfied. So by 3 covalent bond we place here, then the tetravalency of carbon satisfied. Okay, now this is the place for hydrogen. 3 hydrogen is there. Okay, now condensed formula CH3Cl. Here the naming rule is prefix plus name of the alkane. Here the prefix denoted by the functional group name. Here I take the functional group chlorine. So that prefix word chloro. Alkane. How many carbon is there? Only one. This is the chlorine. Here one carbon is there. So what is the name for one? Meth. That alkane, methane. Okay. Now what is the final name? Chloromethane. Name is chloromethane. CH3Cl means that name chloromethane. Okay. Next, substitute 2. So the general formula, we get the molecular formula C2H5Cl. How many carbon? 2 carbon. Next, functional group Cl. Okay, and framework. This carbon satisfied by 2 bond. It needed 2 more. This carbon is connected by only 1 bond. It needed for satisfying tetravalency. It need more. Okay, framework completed. Place for hydrogen. This is a place for hydrogen. Here I add the hydrogen here. Now condensed formula CH3 CH2 Cl. Okay, so the prefix functional group is chlorine, so prefix word is chloro. Next, how many carbon? 1 2, that means meth, eth. So alkane, so ethane. So prefix plus name of the alkane, chloro plus ethane. What is the name of the compound? Chloroethane. Next, number of carbon 3. I substitute the 3 in the general formula and get C3H7Cl. First we convert the molecular formula into structural formula. 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, and the functional group chlorine. So next framework, this carbon needed 2 for satisfying tetravalency. This carbon also need 2. This carbon also need 3. Okay. Now the place for hydrogen. Here I denote the hydrogen. Number of hydrogens 7. Okay. And next condensed form CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. So prefix chloro and next alkane name meth, eth, prop. So root word is prop and alkane propane. So prefix plus alkane name chloro plus propane, chloropropane. Okay. Next number of carbon 4. Substituting 4 in that molecular general formula we get C4H9Cl. In their structural formula 4 carbon, that's functional group Cl. Framework it need 2, it also need 2, it need 2 more bond. This carbon need 3 bond for satisfying tetravalency. This is the place for hydrogen. Totally 9 hydrogen. You check the hydrogen with that molecular formula. Condensed form CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2, Cl. Prefix chloro and alkane meth, eth, prop, bute. So 4 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So alkane name butane. So what is the final name? Suffix plus alkane. So chlorobutane. Okay. And next number of carbon 5. So substitute that general formula we get C5H11Cl. 5 carbon. So next functional group Cl. Framework. Placing hydrogen. Condensed form CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. Functional group chlorine. So prefix were chloro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means meth, eth, prop, bute, pent. So that alkane, pentane. So what is the final name? Chloro plus pentane. Chloropentane. This is the first 5 members of halogen family. The root word is that naming is quite different from others. Halogen only the prefix we add. Prefix plus name of the alkane. Remaining all the functional group we add name of the alkane and cancelling E and add the suffix word. But halogen prefix plus name of the alkene. Here I take that chlorine. Instead of that you take that bromine means that word bromomethane, bromoethane like that. Next we see the simple trick for naming IUPAC naming of organic compound. If the compound containing that alcohol as a functional group, we simply find the name root word plus anol. Okay, ANOL. If the compound containing that aldehyde functional group, the simple way we identify the name root word plus anal, ANAL. And that functional group acid means we easily find the word root word plus anionic acid. Okay. So this is the alcohol. So the trick root word plus anal. Okay. So we know that root word is meth, eth, prop, bute, pent, hex like that. This is the root word. For example, that first case, how many carbon is there? Only 1. So that root word meth. Meth plus anal. that means methanol. We get easily name. Okay, and next meth. How many carbon? 1, 2. What is the root word? What is the root word for 2? Eth. Okay, and that word anal, ethanol. Okay, and next 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is there. So what is the root word? Prop. Prop plus anal, propanol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. Root word but. Then anol, butanol. Like that, pent. 5 carbon. So this is a pent plus anal, pentanol. Okay, so in this way we easily identify the name in examination point of view. Like that, aldehyde, the trick is root word plus anal. Okay, so 1 carbon, that root word is meth plus anal, so we get the name methanol. Okay, the root word means eth, so we get added anal, ethanol. 3 carbon, root word prop, anal, propanol. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, but plus anal, butanol. This is for this trick for aldehyde. Okay, this is for carboxylic family. So I apply the trick to the carboxylic family. First, that only 1 carbon, root word plus anoic acid. That root word plus anoic acid. So only 1 carbon. So methanoic acid. We get the name methanoic acid. And meth, 2 carbon, eth, anoic acid, ethanoic acid. Meth, eth, prop, but. So butanoic acid, butanoic acid. So in this way, examination point of view, we can easily identify the name of hydrocarbon by using this. Your carbon contain alcohol group means root word plus anal. Aldehyde means root word plus anal. Acid means root word plus anoic acid. Okay, try it.